Hello, good evening, and welcome to my channel. And today we are in the end questions of sorting and grouping. So in the second last actually question is the single number, biggest single number. So we are in the SQL 50 Leetcode interview questions. So the question of this question of 619 question number, biggest single number. What it is so it is saying is we have a table and we have a single column over here and it is an int. So what it is saying that a single number is a number that appeared only once in my number table. Okay, so find the largest single number. If there is no single number, you put none. Okay, what it is saying is we have a num column over here and we have some integers over here like 2 times 8, 2 times 3, 1 times 4, 1, 5 and 6. So you see over here we have single numbers. These last four are single numbers 1, 4, 5, 6. No duplicacy over here. Now I need to find out the maximum among the single numbers. So 1, 4, 5, 6 are the single numbers. Maximum of it is 6. So the output is 6. Okay, now the question has also provided condition also. If there is no single number, we put null. So I have to return any null value if the my query cannot find a single number. If the query find a single number, it will provide the single number. Or if the single number is having, we have number of single numbers, means we have 2 or 3, 4 of single numbers, so it will consider the greatest among those single numbers, right? So else over here 1, 4, 5, 6, 4 single number is there and 6 is the greatest. So 6 is the largest and 6 is giving the output. Okay, similarly over here you can see in the example number 2 we have 2 8, 2 7 and 3 3s. Okay, so it is giving output as null because we have no single numbers. So it is basically finding out the single number only. Now, in this solution, I need to go for an approach of subqueries because I need to find it out uh, the number of single numbers actually to find the single numbers. So, how you can find the single numbers? So, single numbers are the ones where I can see the count of the numbers is equals to 1. If I see over here, if I go for the if I group by the numbers, suppose 8 is having count of 2, even 3 is having count of 2, and 1 is having count of 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6 is also 1. So whenever the count is equals to 1, I will find that numbers only, and on top of it, I will find the maximum of the numbers. So 1, 4, 5, 6 is having count of equals to 1, and I will find the maximum of the numbers, that is 6. So in this way, we will approach. Okay. So now what I need to find? Select maximum of num. So num is this column. Okay, as num. From now in from I will use this select. You'll use this subquery. Select num by numbers. Group by num. I will write having count of num equals to 1. So what it is categorically finding out the count of the number equals to 1. I will find that num only. Okay. Okay. Now let me write over here from my numbers from my numbers where now it will be telling this way. Okay. Let me just run this once. Let me see whether it accepts the query or not. Okay, accept it. Okay, I need a modification over here. It is accepting, but the code is incomplete. why I am saying the code is incomplete is, you see over here, if there is no single number, report null. So in this case, so I have to consider this one also. So let me write if null max num comma none run. If it is having null, oh, not null, if null. So if it is having null value, it will take the null, and if it is having not null values, it will go for max num. So this is what it is saying. Now let me submit the test cases. Let me see what it is saying. It will accept the code. Accept it. Okay. So that's all for the question. For the solution of this question. Question number 619. Okay, 619 has been done. So we are left with the one last question of the sorting and grouping. We'll do that in the next video. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye.